VisioCompress2 Lite from KOB consists of two cohesive components with indicator: the inner padding bandage that uniformly distributes the pressure over the leg, and the outer permanent elastic compression bandage. The rhombus-shaped indicator that is printed on both bandages serves as a visual support during application and is thus an important aid for achieving the therapeutically required compression pressure. The multi-layer compression dressing is generally applied in one direction. When applying the two bandages, it is important that the patient's foot is at a 90-degree angle to the lower leg. Start by applying the white padding bandage to the metatarsophalangeal joint. After 2 laps for fixation, guide the bandage over the instep and include the heel in figure of 8 laps. Be sure to avoid stretching the padding bandage while applying it to the foot. At this point, disregard the indicator printed on the bandage. In the region of the extensor tendons, where the lower leg meets the forefoot, and the Achilles tendon, care must be taken to ensure that there is sufficient padding. Apply the white padding bandage in spirals around the leg with an overlap of 50%, beginning above the ankle. For optimal pressure, stretch the bandage until the imprinted indicator forms a regular square with all sides equal in length. Application of the bandage ends about 2 fingers below the patella and 2 fingers below the popliteal fossa. Tear off excess bandage material. Additional fixation is not necessary. Unused material from the first component can be used for additional padding at the edge of the tibia, the extensor tendons where the back of the foot meets the tibia, and at the Achilles tendon. Apply the brown cohesive compression bandage to the foot in the same way as the padding bandage. Do not stretch the outer compression bandage while applying it to the foot, and do not use the printed indicator as a guide at this point. In the foot area, use figure of 8 turns to ensure that the heel is well incorporated. Apply the brown compression bandage in a spiral around the leg, beginning above the ankle with a layer overlap of 50%. To ensure optimal pressure, now stretch the bandage until the printed indicator shows a regular square with sides of equal length. Application of the bandage ends about 2 fingers below the patella and 2 fingers below the popliteal fossa. Tear off excess bandage material and carefully press the dressing down over the entire leg. This will ensure optimal adhesion. Additional fixation is not necessary. The cohesive material provides a stable compression dressing, which can be worn for several days. Be aware that it may be necessary to adapt the application technique to the anatomical or pathophysiological characteristics of the patient.